Well, I just bought the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and we're going to go ahead and unbox it. I'm dropping this on my second channel because I already unboxed the S20. There's really not too many points to unbox it again on the main channel. But I'll go ahead and unbox it you guys exclusively on the second one. Now this is the bigger model, and I'll do comparisons for this thing and everything like that. You guys already know. And I might not even activate it. I'll just kind of go ahead and show you guys what it looks like and everything and what you get in the box. So this is pretty much the Galaxy S20 Plus. And the funny thing is, again, like I've been saying, Samsung always puts their little box so it attaches up top and it doesn't just get placed right there. And it's so funny because I literally had that issue with every single one. It's not an issue, it's just kind of a funny thing. You have some booklets in here and everything. You have the SIM card eject tool right there. That's really all you get right there. And then you have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus right there. And looking at it, I did get the blue one. I didn't really want to get the blue one. I want to get the gray one, but it doesn't really matter. Oh, and I forgot the glass screen protector is up on the front. So I'll go ahead and boot this thing up. And we can go ahead and get ready for the rest of the box. So I'll go ahead and put this to the side. Then we have pretty much a little pamphlet thing. Nobody really cares about that. You have the USB Type-C fast charger, which is really, really nice. You have the USB Type-C charger right here, which I'll take out in a second. So that's the USB Type-C charger. Then you also have the AKG or AK, whatever. That thing actually freaked me out. That thing actually sounds like a real woman now. It's crazy. And then you have the headphones as well, the AKG or whatever these things are. You have these headphones as well, and I thought these were really, really nice. They're actually not that bad, which I'm pretty surprised about. But that's really all you get in the box, as you can see. Nothing really else. You have this thing too, which is empty. I don't really know why. It's probably just like a little placeholder thing for you to kind of, put the box in. But this is the Galaxy S20 Plus. Now, I was going to go through this setup. I don't really feel like doing it. It's going to take me like 20 minutes. But first impressions of the size, here's the Galaxy S20, and it is noticeably bigger. It's pretty much the same exact size difference, at least to me, as the S10 Plus or the S9 and the S9 Plus, which I'll be comparing against these phones as well. I've already done so many comparisons of the S20, but feeling it in the hand, they feel almost identical. The size, you can kind of tell the thickness. One is definitely a little, actually they don't even feel that much thicker. I think the S20 Plus might be a little bit thicker right there. On the back, you can see the camera sensors are a little bit different. And you can see I have the blue one. On the bottom, you can also see a little bit of the change in thickness and everything, which I don't think there is a difference, but there might be, who knows. Volume buttons and power buttons on the same sides as well, which I didn't really like, if I'm being honest. I wish it was on the other side, like how it was on the S10 Plus, but it's no big deal, I guess. And then the same place for the micro SD card slot and everything like that. Now here's the Galaxy S10 Plus right next to it, and it's almost the same exact size. It's a little bit thicker actually than the Galaxy S10 Plus, it seems like. And on the back you can see the setup, obviously they're quite different. And as you can see, these are almost flush to each other, and you can see that seems to be just a little bit taller and just a little bit wider as well. So just a little bit of a bigger phone every which way. And as you can see, power button on the right of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and volume buttons on the right, on the left. I can't even talk. And that's how I wish it was on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, but that really pretty much covers it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel, all those things are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.